Hi guys, it's Bob from HetteshWorld. Today I'm going to take you on a small repair on the bike where it met our ramp door on our way to Texas. So hopefully I bought some paint and some clear little spot putty and I can touch up this bike, make it look new again.
We're Bob and Barb. We've lived by the rules all of our lives, but in 2020 we threw that rule book out the window. We sold our home and moved full-time into an RV with our cat Amelia, and from now on we will be living life our way. Don't you want to come travel in our world?
Here's where the damage is, down here on the back lower compartment luggage. You can see it's got some scrapes, some deep scratches into the actual plastic. So I am going to sand that with some light paper, add some spot putty, sand, and hopefully blend in the paint and make it disappear. As you can see, I did some light sanding on the back trunk deck, and then I also did just a little bit right there. I'm using Bondo brand spot putty. Did some light sanding, put some spot putty in, then I'll wet sand that back off with some 1500, and we'll shoot a little paint on it, wet sand it, and then shoot a little clear on it to match the color blended into the trunk lid. I wet sanded it and then put the second coat of spot putty on it to get rid of a couple deeper scratches. After I sanded the spot putty, the second coat of spot putty, I put the first coat of paint on there, as you can tell from my blue thumb. Also a little bit on the deck lid here, put some on there so it's kind of a flat looking color right now until we get some clear on it. But I'm going to 2000 grit sandpaper on that, and then I'm going to put another coat of blue on there, and then we'll 2000 grit wet sand that, and then shoot some clear on it, and hopefully tomorrow, and then we can buff it a little bit and try to blend it into the other panels. All right, this is after I did the second coat of paint and then wet sanded it. I put a coat of clear on it, and then on the little deck lid here, it's got a little bit of a shine right now, but I used some 2000 grit paper on it and then do some rubbing compound, then polishing compound tomorrow. It turned out pretty nice. Here's the next day after using 2000 grit sandpaper, some rubbing compound and polishing compound. As you can see, we got a nice deep shine back with no scratches. If you like what you're seeing, please subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, hit the notification icon, and please leave some comments below. Thank you very much for watching.